it might take a little bit for Greg's cats to realize they can climb this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this hanging cat scratching rope. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this is a wall-mounted rope that your cats can climb and scratch and play with, and if they make it to the top, there's a little place for them to sit. Setup for this was interesting. I mean, it's pretty obvious what you need to do. It's a few boards, some screws, and you attach it to the wall. The instructions were not in English, but you can follow the photos to figure it out. The material seems to be pressed board and not solid wood, so keep that in mind as well. It should still hold up as your cats are mostly playing with the rope and maybe sitting on top of it. The rope itself is pretty awesome. It's thick, it's nice and long, it's frayed at the bottom to entice them to play, and it's a good quality. Greg's cats were definitely interested in it, but they weren't too sure about actually climbing it. Over time, they might figure this out, but for now, it's just fun for them to kind of bat around and scratch at. This might be one of those things that's perfect for young kittens who are fearless and love to explore and run and jump on everything. It can definitely take some time for older cats to warm up to something new like this. So what's the final verdict? The rope itself is really good quality and excellent. Your cats are gonna have a lot of fun with this. Just remember that the instructions are in a different language, so follow along the photos for the install process. If you have a young, adventurous cat, this would be a really great piece of furniture in your home, especially for small spaces. For Greg's cats, they're still making up their minds, but they are having fun with it.